Hello everyone, my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching. Now I am back for another massive smart home unboxing, and if you like seeing me, I do invite you to come to my own show, which is in a link down below. As usual, we are giving away the farm in this video, so check your link down below and you can see how you can be entered to win it all. All these products were sent to us and now they can all be sent to you. So let's get started. I'm super excited. As usual, I can't wait to open gifts, right? Okay, so let's get started. I have here my X-Acto knifo, and let's just see what's inside box number 1 here, shall we? I'm excited. All right, guys, who wants to know what's inside door number 1 here? Woohoo! All right, congratulations. You are the winner of plastic bubble tape. No, not really. Ha ha ha. Oh, look at this, guys. This is a fabulous camera. Now, I'm excited because this is a 1080p Aurenti wireless outdoor security camera by Aurenti. It is battery powered with night vision and motion and sound detection, two-way audio, cloud storage, compression, wide FOV, motion detection. It is absolutely awesome. I mean, what? This is amazing. I can't even believe we're giving this away. Like, really? I want it. Okay, guys, honestly, now this is something that if you were to have motion or sound, it would detect it. It has two-way audio talk to let you hold conversations. And when motion is detected, it can also forward an alarm and image to your smartphone. How cool is that? It is IP65 waterproof, so that's good because, you know, this weather can be dodgy. And when motion is detected, as I said, it does send directly to your phone. So you have the hand holding like you're seeing it in real time. Amazing. And it works with Alexa. We got to have compatibility with Alexa, right? It comes with a 32 gig SD card and it is rechargeable batteries. So 6,700 milliamp hours that lasts up to 6 months when fully charged. And you can view the video stream remotely in real time through that mobile app. Amazing, right? I'm excited, you're excited, and you could win this bad boy. Amazeballs. Okay, I think it's time to see what's inside box number 2. How about you? All right, let's do it up. I'm excited. All right, guys, who wants to see what's inside box number 2? I do. How about you? Wow. Whee! All right, guys, you win paper! Yay! No. Oh my gosh! It's another cool camera. Now this is the Aurenti by the same company, guys. This is the IN1 Full HD 1080p indoor camera. So we got outdoor, we got indoor. Now this is amazing. It comes with night vision and it has two-way audio to speak to anyone through the app, and also comes with motion and sound detection. And all recordings can be stored on the internal SD card, sold separately up to 128 gigs. And it has optional cloud storage and it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, live stream video. What is up? This is amazing. Like, what the heck? I mean, these two gifts alone, right? Ah, amazing. Okay, guys, who's ready for what's next? I know I am. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, shall we? Woo! All right, guys. Number 3, a big box. Let's see. What is it? What can it be? Oh, glory me. I can't wait to see. What is up with this, eh, guys? Okay. What is going on, my friends? I think we really are giving away the farm. Now, this is a cloud storage intelligent camera. Okay, this one I feel like, at least with these ones, you can see what's going on, but what is this? Like, what does this look like? Oh, okay. I see. Look at that. It's like C-3PO from Star Wars. Oh, wow, this is something right here. Okay, guys. Now, this is actually a 1080p outdoor security camera. And I'm not exactly sure how or who sent it to us, but we have an email from a different brand that looks similar. So I'm going to put that link down below, okay? Now, this is a Wi-Fi camera that can also be connected by Ethernet. You can control the camera remotely with a pan tilt for a 320 horizontal or a 90-degree vertical rotation via the Tuya Smart app, okay? It is IP65 waterproof rated and has motion sensors to allow you to receive the notifications right to your phone with a built-in microphone and speakers to allow you to communicate with people wherever you happen to be in the world, okay? You can save videos to 128 gig SD card or use optional cloud storage, and it works with Alexa. What's up, guys? This is awesome. Like, I'm totally thrilled. There you go.
From Volley FM, here is on this day in history.
Today is December 7th, and on this day in history, Japan bombed Pearl Harbor, sending the United States into World War II.
Well, there you go.
By 1941, World War II was well underway, but the United States had yet to enter the fight. That didn't stop America from participating in other ways, though. The U.S. provided several countries with financial support and military equipment and imposed harsh economic sanctions against others. One of those sanctioned countries was Japan, whose expansion into China and Southeast Asia was seen as a threat to America's
Alexa, stop!
The U.S. cut off trade in several key
okay, Alexa!
Japan,
Alexa, stop! Wow.
And gave Japan two options.
Alexa, stop!
Or face military retaliation.
I'm thrilled to pieces. Wow. It's nothing like a party crasher. Now, at least with this camera, we could have gotten that all on footage. In fact, we did. And you have it right now. That was classic, guys. If you enjoyed that little tidbit of information, do let us know. It was kind of a downer, wasn't it? Wow. All right, let's bring the party vibration back up, shall we? And see what's inside box number 4. I'm excited for more. And who wants to see what's in box number 4? I don't know what's going on with my rhyming skills lately. What do you guys think? I should try out for rap. Maybe it's C-rap. I don't know. You know what that is. That's crap. All right, guys, check it out. This is a smart plug. And it's not just any smart plug. This is a 4-pack. Connect 4. Now, the smart plug 4-pack by Treat Life is rated 120 volts, 15 amps, and 1800 watts. And it's pretty exciting. Now, as you can see, it's pretty jammed in there. And I don't want to break a nail, but you get the picture. That's what it looks like. It's pretty awesome. And the amazing thing about this is that it actually has 15 amps, 1800 watts, and you can create customized schedules. We did a dedicated video on it, so you can, in fact, watch that. And it's pretty exciting. It has an IP65. I'm just kidding. No, guys, this is actually something where you can create customized schedules. It's on the app, and you can turn on and off home appliances like Christmas lights, coffee makers, fans, whatever you think of. This will actually work. It will set to away mode, and you can turn your devices off randomly, and it might look like you're home even if you're not, which is a great theft deterrent, right? So they're also compatible with Alexa. I'm kind of afraid to say her name now because she's a bit of a party crasher, and Google Home. Amazing, right? Plug it in, plug it in. All right, guys, amazing. It's time to get plugged in. There is another box here. Can you believe this? I'm excited. Are we saving the best for last? Let me know. What do you guys think? Are you excited to win all this stuff? Because this can all be yours. Like, it can literally all be yours. And I'm going to let you know how to win all of this. I can't even believe we're giving all this stuff away. Like, do we love you or do we love you? Look at this, guys. This is a Kangaroo doorbell camera and Chime. Now, if you're wondering why the box is kind of busted, we did do it. We did a dedicated video on it, and I was really excited about it even then. Like, I did tear into the box because I get really excited about doorbells. Like, you know, like Ring My Bell. But check it out, guys. Like, this is an amazing doorbell, and it was something that we put on so you can watch the whole video. It's amazing. And the beautiful thing about this doorbell is that it's only $20, okay? And the link is down below so you can watch it in motion, but the doorbell is pressed, and when there's motion detected, photo alerts are sent to your phone. Photo alerts. The indoor chime rings when the doorbell is pressed, okay? And no hardwiring is required. You just simply peel it and stick it. It's like a giant sticker, which is awesome. Now you can either use screws to mount it as well, but I was just like, yo, I'm all about stickers, right? So stick to it, and we have 2 AA batteries that last an average of 1 year with standard usage. So if you have chronic doorbell ringers, it might be a little less than that. But I'm just saying, guys, like this is amazing stuff, and it can all be yours. Like literally, look at everything you see here, guys. Everything you see here can be yours. Like this is awesome. What a lineup of awesomeness, right? Okay, so I am excited, you're excited, it's gonna be great. And the way to win this stuff, I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm gonna have you look at the link below because that is where all the information is. And this can all be yours. Don't you wanna bring it home? Bring it home, that's right. It can come to from our house to your house. HomeAutomationX at its finest. Now, if you found this video useful, I ask that you please share it on social media. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Anyone who's on your list, because this is a great way to spread the love. There are these videos here on the side that you might notice, and those are ones you can check out. There's a video on top, and that's our most recent video, and below, that's my recommended video just for you. So click on any of them, all of them, and check them out. We appreciate all the support you provide to the channel. Thank you so much. From our hearts to yours, I hope you win this. How cool would that be? And thanks for watching. Bye for now.